Installing the F-supporting and fastening screw. Putting universal disc and fastening. Put the disc into order. Fastening disc and universal disc. Installation rollers. Installation and fastening keyboard fram. Installation and fastening the handle. Installation panel supporting. Put on panel. Installation and fastening panel. Use the monitor with screw holes. Installation and fastening display holder. Use the computer with PCI card slot. Plug dongle into computer's USB port. Connect board card and board line. Plug board card into computer's PCI slot. Fasten the board card and wiring with screws. Connection and fastening the data cable, board card and board line. Plug in air pipe, turn on the power switch.